Most enterprise AI initiatives don't fail at launch, they fail the second they hit production. This is the day two problem, and it's where DIY AI stacks quietly become liabilities. The real cost of enterprise AI starts after production, and most organizations don't see it coming. Let's break down what true AI cost actually looks like. There are three phases that determine whether your AI investment becomes a strategic advantage or a permanent cost center. Phase 1, before value exists. This is time, risk, and upfront spend before you've proven anything works. With a DIY AI stack, you're locked into 9 to 18 months just to reach production. That's $600,000 to $1.5 million spent before you validate a single income. Platform engineering, infrastructure, governance, ML ops, all built and funded before you have real usage data. High capital risk, locked in architecture, zero guarantees. Unframe flips this model production ready in days. Validate outcomes before committing capital, no platform assembly, no upfront hiring, 85 to 95% lower pre-value costs. You don't invest in infrastructure, you invest in results. Phase 2, after value exists. This is where the hidden cost center lives, the operational drag that never ends. DIY stacks need permanent AIOps and platform teams. Ongoing retraining, infrastructure tuning, security patches, compliance monitoring. You're looking at $500,000 to over $1 million per year just to keep things running. AI shifts from innovation to maintenance. Your team stops solving business problems and starts operating platforms. Unframe handles the full lifecycle. Operations, updates, governance, all managed end to end. Predictable annual pricing. 50 to 75% lower operating cost. Your team focuses on outcomes, not upkeep. Phase 3, as scale begins. This is where cost either compounds or explodes. With DIY, each new use case requires a partial rebuild. $300,000 to $1 million in incremental costs per deployment, linear growth in spend, and complexity. The more you scale, the heavier it gets. Unframe is built for reusability, shared context layer for all your use cases, reusable and modular architecture, faster rollout with lower marginal costs, 65 to 80% lower cost per additional use case. Scale doesn't multiply your problems, it should multiply your efficiency. Here's what this means for enterprise leaders. DIY AI stacks make sense only if you want to be an AI platform operator. They optimize control, but come with long timelines, high risk, and unbounded cost. Unframe is for enterprises that want AI outcomes, not AI ownership. Faster time to value, lower risk, built-in scale, and predictable economics. The real AI decision isn't build versus buy. It's whether AI becomes a strategic advantage or a permanent cost center. One path locks you into months of upfront investment, operational drag, and compounding complexity. The other delivers production-ready AI in days, scales efficiently, and keeps your team focused on solving real business problems. With Unframe, you deploy production-grade AI-native solutions. You don't maintain platforms, you drive outcomes, and you don't bet capital on proof-of-concept experiments. You invest in AI that works from day one. If you want to see what enterprise AI looks like when it's built for outcomes, subscribe for more insights and explore how Unframe delivers real impact at unframe.ai.